Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Healing Bite. Today, we're exploring 13 ancient beauty and health secrets from India, passed down through generations. Ready to embrace natural beauty and wellness? Let's get started. Gaylicious goodness. First up, we've got ghee, aka clarified butter. Not only does it make everything taste better, but it's also a miracle worker for your skin and health. Dry skin, chapped lips, or feeling under the weather, ghee's got you covered. Rosy glow up. Next up, we're talking about rosewater. It's like a tall glass of water for your skin, keeping it hydrated, refreshed, and glowy. Use it as a toner or mix it into face masks for an extra boost of hydration. Turmeric power. Hold up. We gotta talk about turmeric. This golden spice is the queen bee of Indian remedies. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Mix it with yogurt and honey, apply it to your face, and get ready to shine bright like a diamond. Coconut crazy. Coconut oil is the Swiss Army knife of natural remedies. Use it to moisturize your skin, tame flyaways, or give yourself a relaxing scalp massage. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, it fights signs of aging and keeps you glowing. Saffron secrets. Saffron has been a beauty secret of queens for centuries, lightening and brightening your skin. Mix a pinch of saffron with milk, apply it to your face or hair, and prepare to be amazed. Gram flour for the win. Gram flour, or besan, is a natural way to exfoliate and reveal baby-soft skin. Mix it with rosewater or milk for a gentle DIY face mask. Your skin will feel rejuvenated and refreshed. Honey. Honey is basically liquid gold in a jar. It's a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your skin and keeping it hydrated. Plus, its antibacterial properties make it great for fighting acne. Copper power. Drinking water from a copper vessel is one of my fave ancient practices. Copper helps purify your water and keeps bacteria at bay. It can also improve digestion, boost metabolism, and slow down aging. Aloe vera, my BFF. Aloe vera is like that friend who always has your back. Sunburn, acne, dry skin, aloe vera's got you. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it's a true skincare superhero. Sandalwood dreams. Sandalwood is a natural astringent, tightening pores and reducing excess oil. Mix sandalwood powder with rosewater or milk, apply it to your face, and let the magic happen. Fuller's Earth magic. Fuller's Earth, or Multani Mitti, is perfect for oily skin. Use it as a face mask to draw out dirt, oil, and impurities, leaving your skin squeaky clean. Ginger spice and all things nice. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding ginger to your diet can help reduce inflammation and promote clear, even-toned skin. Henna love. Henna is the OG hair and skin treatment. It's amazing for reducing dandruff, adding shine, and promoting hair growth. Embrace the natural goodness of henna. And there you have it, fam. 13 ancient secrets from India for a head-to-toe glow. Which of these secrets are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Healing Bite for more natural remedies and health tips. Stay radiant and take care.